If your Monday.com automation is throwing an error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix it fast. Automation issues can happen for a few different reasons, and most of the time the solution is easier than it looks. We'll go through the most common fixes together, starting with the quickest checks first, so you can get your workflow running again without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch, especially if the automation failed because the browser didn't fully load the page, or there was a brief connection interruption. After refreshing, try the automation again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Monday.com account and then sign back in. This can help reset your session and fix problems caused by expired login data or a temporary account sync issue. Once you're signed back in, go back to the board where the automation is set up and test it again. Next, check your internet speed. A weak or unstable connection can cause automations to fail, especially if Monday.com is struggling to communicate with the server properly. Open your browser and search for speed test. Run a speed test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, reconnect to a stronger network and then try the automation once more. Another very common reason for automation errors is browser extensions. Ad blockers and other extensions can sometimes interfere with Monday.com features, especially if they block scripts or background requests that the automation needs to work. To check this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off ad blockers and any other unnecessary extensions. After that, reload Monday.com and test the automation again. If the error is still there, it's time to review the automation recipe itself. Open the automation and carefully check the trigger, the action, and any required fields. Make sure every part of the recipe is set up correctly. For example, confirm that the trigger is actually possible on that board, that the action matches the workflow you want, and that any required columns or values are filled in. Also check for limits, because some automations only work under certain conditions, or can fail if the board setup doesn't match the recipe requirements. If everything looks correct and the issue continues, the next best step is to recreate the automation from scratch. Sometimes an automation becomes corrupted, or a hidden setup issue causes repeated errors. Delete the current automation, create it again, and enter the settings carefully from the beginning. Then run a test to see whether the fresh version works properly. In many cases, rebuilding the automation completely is the fastest way to clear stubborn errors. By now, one of these fixes should have solved the issue. In most cases, the problem comes down to a browser problem, a connection issue, or a small mistake in the automation setup. The good news is that once you go through these steps in order, you'll usually find the cause pretty quickly and get Monday.com working the way it should. If this tutorial helped you fix your Monday.com automation error, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Monday.com issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.